Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I just want to react on this video because I have seen many people sharing this video. Not only this one, a lot is going on in our land, and not only in our land, even in other part, in the Yoruba land, in Middle Belt, everywhere. But I want to emphasize on what is going on in our land, in Igbo land precisely. We have seen many youths that decided to do, PC, people that want to do gara. They know how to make money, they must carry money, they must, okite, which is very, very bad and is eating the society up. Our land is not known for this kind of nonsense, and it is getting too much, way too much, to the extent that parents are not scared of their own children. They are not scared of their own boys, not only boys, even girls. To have your daughter, with you, you have to open your eyes, because the boyfriend or her friend, even a female friend as well, may lure her to commit to people that are going to take her life. A lot of youths are disappearing for no just reason. We have seen a video of a young man in Abia State that cut off his father's head, Bupu. In Imo State, in Enugu State, just 3 days ago, a man chopped off his wife, chop off her hands, simply because of what? I don't know. You see, those things is what we are talking about. We have seen many people complain about it in Anambra, of course, a lot. I have seen the one in Yoruba land, of course. But this very video happened in Ghana, in Anambra State. Not only that, other places, like I said, where are we heading to? What is the fate of our youth? What is going on? People told us that Sam Monepa is the one causing insecurity, that he's a grooming criminal. Criminality is only from Sam Monepa. Nobody does anything wrong apart from Sam Monepa boys. Now that he's not here, what is playing out? What too much? Too much. Even yesterday in Delta State, a man was caught, with a human head. It happened to be somebody's mother, not even his mother. In Akwa Ibom on 24th of December, Christmas Eve, a boy died his own mother because he went to a native daughter, and native daughter demanded that he should bring his mother or chap mami is wherever their Christmas. And the annoying part is that when you check the age of those youth, it happened to be 20, 30 something at most. Hardly you see, matured, maybe 50, 60 years committing this kind of crime. Why are we doing this to ourselves? This video, like I said, is not going to be too long, because I know that most of you don't like to watch long video. But let me use the opportunity to encourage you to like this video. If you are new to this platform, please subscribe. Very, very, very important that you do so. Comment and tell me what do you know? Have you experienced this kind of thing? I mean, not you committing anything. What I mean is, have you seen a news like that, or such news that is related to what we're talking about? Because it's flying everywhere on social media. I was trying to react on this when it was trending, but on the second thought, I said, okay, let me just calm down. But as they go by, we keep on seeing similar news of people's head being chopped off from people that are lifting people's head from their shoulder for no just reason. And insecurity we are talking about is not about one particular region or one particular race or one particular people, but we have to do our best to do anything possible to protect our life. Yes, Fulani herdsmen are doing what they're doing in our land. Yes, other Ibago and rest of them are committing all this nonsense, and thugs, political thugs, of course, are doing their own, committing those things. They are buying people for ritual. The annoying part is that most of the people that are supposed to talk to address this issue as leaders of the society, they are the one benefiting from the human body, because they are the one using that. They are using those people's body to do ritual. Like I said, where are we headed to? Now, the Reverend Father that you're going to listen to him here says something. He just made it clear to everyone, for you to have an idea of what is going on. I would like you to listen to him, pay attention to what he has to say about what is going on in our society today. Thank you so much as you listen to him, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you are new. Like I said, like the video so that others are going to watch it and please turn your bell notification on so that whenever we post a video, you will join us and watch the video and tell us your own opinion, because we are here to learn from each other. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Bye bye for now.
Okay, no problem. So tell me what they do.
Sir,
if you lie, I'll break your head.
No, sir, please.
No, you won't talk about it.
No.
We'll come your house.
Yes, sir.
The first day,
yes,
blood you throw everywhere. We'll pick the blood. Then you jump fence, run away. Second, how many person you kidnap? This thing, this woman, this thing we are carry for here.
Yes,
where the woman dey?
Sir, you see, please, sir. If you did, that is treasure. If you can, you see.
You know what to do?
No, if you,
sir, how many person we hold since only that thing go fit save you. This one where they talk.
Since when? Since that October.
No
October.
Since December last year.
No, I've never.
They won't lie now. He won't lie.
Don't kill me.
No,
don't kill me.
Go back.
Don't do this to me. Don't destroy me. My wife is pregnant.
That one concern. No be thief we go born again.
No.
Tell me, Pakipa.
Sir.
You from Madobi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is me.
Which side for? He say na.
Is
Diana.
Madobi.
Yes. Tell me where you are people where you are boys, where then they
have released them in Okuso. This case, they have those boys are
okay, they don't release them.
Yes. The people they are arrested in my house, they have released them.
Okay, you are boys.
Yes, they stand as my boys.
No be which are they are. You are boys?
Yes.
Where then they now?
The other boy, the other boy is my talent. He's in Oka. The other one is in Ihela. The other one is in Achara.
That one way from Ihela, you with and they walk the same walk.
Sir, Obid.
Now you with Obid, they walk the same walk.
Obid used to drive tipper.
Who get that tipper?
In Papa tipper, but that tipper, in Papa don't take the tipper, so he go back to Oka. Go to walk the walk. Sometimes he go come my house, say make I prepare pot, I prepare aja. Muchori aja.
A keeper.
Aja wele.
A keeper.
Sir.
You won't tell me the truth, Abino.
So please, if you look at me very well, you will know that.
How many people you arrest that time where you later release them? Tell me.
You mean no, those boys.
If I keep waiting go verse me, waiting go verse me now.
Please, don't even.
This one. Listen.
This is my life.
Listen.
This is my life.
Listen. This one where they talk before they release you from my hand. If they don't release you from my hand, if you lie, you go stay here. If you talk true, only be say, I'll hold this person, but later on I'll leave him because all the things I don't see everything. We don't see everything. I'm not IPO. I'm a command. I'm the area commander for Yenami.
And
so forget here where they see me.
And you can still. Huh? And you can still help me.
Yes, that's what I say. Tell me the truth.
See, let me tell you, son. Before God and man, you see this awareness I'm creating now is before I make money. Okay, before they do them. But now you don't stop them. That time I entered that case. Quiz time you stop them. It's the year I came out from prison. I make this money. Quiz year. I came out 2017. I make this money. No, sit down. I make this money before I enter that case. I know they talk about to make money. So I'm listen. I'll change. Come.
There's something where you don't want to tell him.
No, I'm telling him that
I'll kill him now.
No, sir.
You know what I'm the truth.
If you scattered my body and if you kill me, you believe later find out. I am telling you the truth, sir. I make this money when I was in this. If they talk about to make money. No. And they ask you something, they talk about to make money. Is that money? Is this thing I'm telling you?
Why your group?
They have really.
One naked alpha. Ekene gini. Ekene mekale. Onye ebe ke o. Ebe no munze. Umizo. Kedu ibe emele iji nọrọ ebe a? Kedu ibe kpọta ebe a? Kidnapping case. Bo a wonye di elije vute that woman na park abi. Gwa ka di elu ije vute that woman na park. Ye vute the woman ye na nwa ya nwoke. Na ekwu na okwu iwe.
Onye ha kusa mam na onwa ya nwoke.
Mana ogo nwa vute ha na unu vute ha na abo. We vuje na bo onye.
Balaji, alaji sim.
Okay, Luvulu idea where na put the woman 10 million something abi?
Where my idea?
Where na put the woman 10 million something?
Where my idea?
Yes or no? So anapu see the woman gini we me. The mahozi. Una we gbo the woman. Una we gbo the woman abi? Ego na ki kete na ega. 100,000. Okay. Ndị Anambra ekene munu. Onye na anoni awo komanda Bantu. Ntu na amapi iwe zolo ezo. Ọsọ ya me 100 years ago. Apantu futa ọmapuo ya. O wee futa ihe. Everyone is anonymous from Umunze, Orumba South local government. Here, Commander Nde Agone Chamber. Operation Udogachi. Jide nwa Madia. Jide nwa Madia. Ya we confess ya kavasi evulu mmadebu. Ndokwele. Ya dịzi gọọmenti nebezi anya maliva ya emele maka na onye chukwu si na onye chukwu ya emele ebele ka ọ ya emele ebele. Who say men no dey? Thank you everybody.
Ụmụnne m ana Igbo na-agbazikwa ọkụ. Okenye ayakwa nọ n'ụlọ ewu anwụọ n'ọgbọrị. Ụmụazị enweghịzikwa egwu kịta. Onye anụghị ihe onyonyo ya dị ebe a ka a na-akọwa na o bepụrụ papa ya isi. Ọkwa ndị alụrụ anụ ụfọdụ anyị nwere n'ala Igbo aghọrọ ya na ụmụazị napụ ha Baịbụl. Ka ị napụrụ ha Baịbụl kedu ihe i nyere ha? Napụ ha Jizọs Kraịst. Gwa ha na Baịbụl bụ skam na Jizọs bụ skam na ihe ndị ọcha. Ka ị napụziri ha ihe ndị a kedu ihe i nyere ha? Ị napụ ha bụrụ arọ bụ na-agụnye ha bụrụ oke ite bi ya. Ekwo ka isi agba mbọ fụ na ha na-asọ ọtụtụ ihe kwesịrị ka asọ. Kịta bụ afụzi ụmụazị na-eje burokozara na-achị ha ọchị. Ewere ha na-eme akaja. Ebe a na-akụziri ụmụazị ka a ga-esi na-asọpụrụ nne na nna, ka a ga-esi na-asọpụrụ ndị tọrọ ha. Mgbe anyị na-eje katikizim anyị na-eto, a na-akụziri anyị ka anyị ga-esi na-asọpụrụ ndị tọrọ anyị. Ebe anyị na-ediskọrejizi ụmụazị ha ejesidi ihe dị etu a nọ ihe ndị ọcha ka ọ bụ. Kedizi nke ị na-akụziri ha? Ọkụ ya mere ihe ọjọọ ji juo ebe niile kịta. Ụfọdụ agbara Baịbụl ha ọkụ si na akwụkwọ ndị ọcha ka ọ bụ. Maka na ọ bụrụ na nwa okorobịa na-agụsi Baịbụl ya ike, ọ ya adịghị ọsịsọ ịchụ ego. Maka na ọ na-aba agụ akwụkwọ mbụ Timoti isi nke isii usoro nke 10 agwa gị na the love of money is the root of all evil. Ịmụba amụ si n'okwu mkpugheri akwụkwọ Proverb isi nke 10 usoro nke 22. Ọ kọwara ya ọfụma na ọgaranya si na chi na Chineke na-eme ọgaranya is God's blessing that makes someone to be wealthy. Ihe ọzọ na-ayọ ndị ọrụ nchekwa bụ na nwatakịrị a ọ ga-ekwu onye siri ya gbute isi nna ya. Ọ bụrụ na okwu onye siri ya gbute isi nna ya ma na ọrụ ezuru oke. Na-ekwa nke a gburu nwa agbọghọ oge te ha aka ka a na-akọwa na o sokwa na ndị dị na-aso Christianity na ụka arụ na ụka bụ scam. Were ụmụ ihe enweghị isi wee kpuchie arụrụ ana ha. Mmadụ si gị na ọ na-eje confession ikwupụta nji egwu ụkọchukwu ịmụba ya amụ. Ka ya sị na ọ na-abụ onye bịazi ikwupụta nji ụkọchukwu asị ya jee zukwu ọzọ ma ọ jee mekwu ọzọ. Ọkwa ịbịa kwuo na izuru ohi asị gị wechi ya ihe izuru ka i wee nweta mgbaghara n'aka Chineke. Mana ọ ya ka ndị mmadụ jide eme akaje taa. Anyị bido kwuo kịta kwọba mmiri ya kịta ọ dị n'ọba ọkpa maka oge na-abịa mgbe ọ ya eru n'onu. O metụ imi o metụkwa anya. O metụ okeke o metụ oke afọ. ihe niile m na-arụ ọrụ ụkọchukwu enwebeghị otu onye batara na parish m sị m fana na ọ chọrọ ịgwọ oke ite ma ọ fana na ọ chọrọ ịgwọ ọgwụ ego. ihe m ga na-alụ fana kpere m ekpere ka ọ dịrị m na mma ana etu a ka o kwesịrị ịdị. ebe aha ndị mmadụ na-ejezi ayọ ka ekpere ha ekpere ka ọ dịrị ha na mma chọji ihu Chineke. ọ bụghị ebe ha na-eje ka ha jee gwọọ ọgwụ, ọ bụghị ebe ha na-eje ka ha jee megide mmadụ. ebe a ka ọtụ ndị eghete eghe binila n'ala Igbo si nọọ ha bụ ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo tata. the institution na-agba mbọ ka ihe dị mma ka ụfọdụ arụ a na biniri na-eme gịnị na-agbaso mgba ha wee nwee efe na-arụ arụ a na ha na-arụ, mana Chineke ayakwa ekwe. dịka ị na-enweta ozi ma biko tụsara m ya ka isoro m na-agbasa ozi ọma. ndị Igbo si na ọgaranya si na chi na-agbaka mbọ maka ego nri, ana otu a ka ọ dị. ị na-agba mbọ ị na-ayọ chi gị maka ngọzi ka ọ gọzielu m gị n'oge asọ Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.